fam. I got the blade dropped off of it. I got the engine uncovered. Got a semi hose down. I'm liking the way she look. I might leave the engine open. Fabricate something to cover the gas tank just to clean up the control panel a little bit. You know, put me a little bump on the front, but I want to still leave access for me to put a plow on it. I'm gonna remove this handle because that controls the lowering and raising of the blades. But probably change the paint a little bit. But look like a little doom buggy, don't it? Next, I'm gonna get under and adjust that belt to the big next biggest pulley. Hook up my little charger kit so I can charge this here battery up. But other than that, just from that stance alone, yeah, I see some real potential here. Here go the lower blade. Real simple to take off. It was held on with about, can't remember, so I'm gonna say about 8 cotter pins. Move all 8 of them cotter pins, push the rods out, whole thing drops right out. Just be careful, watch your hand. There's a number of pinch points under there.